Welcome to Kling AI. We are now officially on a global platform. To access Kling, first go to klingai.com. Click Sign In button to sign up with your email. Type your email and password. Hit Next button. Pass security verification. After that, a verification code will be sent to your registered email. Enter the verification code from email and hit Sign In. You are now successfully logged in to access Kling AI. Hit AI Video button to generate video. Write your desired text prompts of your imagination. Select desired camera movement. Hit Generate button and wait for video to be completed.